Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy Turvy Recipes. I'm back again. So today I'm going to make a chicken recipe. It will be very different, totally different from the other recipes of mine, and I hope you all will like it. So while making the chicken recipe, I will show you the ingredients. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like, comment, share. So come on, let us start the recipe. Put some mustard oil. I have taken khara garam masala. This I will put in. I have cut up some onions. This also I will fry. I will let the onions fry golden brown. The onions are turned golden brown, you can see. Now I will put some turmeric powder. Put in the ginger garlic paste. The ginger garlic is slightly fried a bit. Now to make the gravy, I am going to put, this is onions ground up into paste. This I will put in. For the gravy I have put it. Now this will fry. I will let this masala fry. Along with this, I will put some curry masala. 1 spoon curry masala. This has got all the masalas in it, so I am not going to put chili powder because this masala also is very hot. If you all can put chili masala, then you all can put. I am not putting because it will turn very hot. Now I will let this masala fry. You can see this, it's turned brown. Now I will put the chicken. This is 750 grams chicken. Now I will let the chicken fry in this ginger, garlic and onion paste and with the curry masala. Put some salt to taste. Jeera and dhania. This is khara dhania jeera. This also I will put in this. And now I will put the flame little low and let this chicken fry with the masala. Friends, you can see the chicken frying with the masala, how nicely it's frying. And the oil also is floating on top of the chicken. You can see it. Once this masala and the chicken is fried up nicely, then it will be very nice taste to eat also. Very delicious. Now I will add some chicken masala. Now I will put the chicken masala. You can see it. Now with the chicken masala, I will mix the chicken well. Today I am not putting tomatoes in the chicken curry. If you all want to put tomatoes, you all can put. Now I will add some water. Add some water to it for the gravy. If you all want to keep the gravy thick, you all can keep it. You all can keep the gravy thin. Now this will cook in this water. I will cover it now and let the chicken cook with the water which I have put in. Friends, this chicken curry, you can see the gravy also is turned thick, you can see, and it's ready also. I hope you all will like it. Thanks for watching my recipe.